Hola clase, soy Señora Semeca. Hope everybody's doing well during this very difficult time. I can't believe it's already been a month since we've seen each other and that we haven't been in school. I miss you guys so much. I wanted to do a practice with you guys with listening. So far on Canvas, we have been working with reading and writing. Hopefully you guys are practicing your pronunciation at home, but I also wanted to give you an opportunity to work on your listening skills like we do in class. So that's what we're going to practice today. On the travel unit, incorporating some of the vocab that you guys have been working with since last week. So you'll see that here we have the verb viajar, which means to travel. And we're going to see that in the questions. You're going to hear that throughout the passage. I hope you guys have taken a look at the new vocab both for la ropa and for travel. They are both under the Files tab in Canvas. I know this is all new Canvas. I'm still learning a lot myself. Hopefully you guys have gotten a lot you've gotten a lot better at it since we have started 3 weeks ago. So also I wanted to take this time to tell you that I do appreciate those of you who are doing the writing on their own. I could tell if you guys are doing the writing and it's actually your writing. So please, if you're using a translator service like Google Translate, please do not do that. I can 100% tell that it is not your work. There's a lot of grammar and vocab that we simply haven't learned, and it's okay to look up words that we haven't learned, but some of it is very obvious that it is not your work. So please, it's only going to help you if you create the work yourself. Okay, so that being said, I've accepted a lot of the Google translations up until this point, but moving forward, if I can tell that it's not your work, I will not be giving any credit for that. Okay, so hopefully you guys have taken this time to take a look at the questions. You will also find this under the travel listening comprehension on Canvas. So we will get started. Okay, so first time I'm going to read it through just like I do in class, and then I will read it a second time. Okay, clase, here we go. Vamos. Yo soy Ana. Yo quiero viajar a España para visitar la ciudad de Madrid. Yo voy en avión. Voy a salir el sábado a las 10 de la mañana. Yo voy a estar en España por 8 días. Yo tengo familia allí y yo voy a visitar a ellos. Yo viajo con mis padres y mi hermana. Me gusta mucho viajar. Okay, so I'll give you guys a couple seconds. Obviously, you can play this back and listen to it again. Okay, second time, aquí vamos. Yo soy Ana. Yo quiero viajar a España para visitar la ciudad de Madrid. Yo voy en avión. Voy a salir el sábado a las 10 de la mañana. Yo voy a estar en España por 8 días. Yo tengo familia allí y yo voy a visitar a ellos. Yo viajo con mis padres y mi hermana. Me gusta mucho viajar. Okay, so that was the second time. So what I want you guys to do is please answer all the questions in complete Spanish sentences on Canvas under the travel listening comprehension. Okay, hope you guys are all doing well, and I miss you so much. Talk to you soon. Hasta luego.